Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video I'll be introducing to you another wonderful crypto arbitrage platform that I believe you don't want to miss out on. Okay, so I have checked this platform. I have done research about this platform, and I kind of see that it's really profitable. Okay, they have a pro version. All right, they have a pro version, but if you are the type that have uh, huge capital to participate on arbitrage opportunity, so you don't have to uh, sign up for the pro. All right, but if you are the type that do not have huge capital to trade, all right, so I advise you go for the pro version. Trust me, you are really going to benefit from it. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into this video and then see if all the signals they are actually giving is really profitable. Okay, so please, if you are new to this channel or you find this video interesting, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, as you can see, the channel is new. All right, we are doing all it takes to make sure we bring out good videos to you guys, good content to you guys. All right, so this 2025, our journey is to make money massively. All right, so all we are going to be doing on this channel this year is going to be truthful ways that makes you money. Okay, that makes you money. All right, let's dive into this video. So as you can see that on the free version you have you can get as maximum as high as 2% arbitrage opportunity, all right, to 1%, all right, on this platform. So let's see if we can actually get profit from this platform. All right, this one is from Mexi and Bitmart. All right, so let's try that one. I have Git.io, I have KuCoin, all right, I have Bybit, all right, I have Messi, all right, literally all the exchange that this platform support, I have all of them. All right, but for now we are going to be using the Mexi and the Bitmart. All right, okay, and as you can see, you say the last verified update of this opportunity is about 28 seconds ago, as you can see right here, 28 seconds ago. So let's try this, if this opportunity is still there. It said we should buy from Messi and then sell on Bybit. Sometimes it can be the other way around, already reversed. All right, so you buy from Bybit and then sell from Messi. All right, so but this, for this video, let's check if this is really there. It said Zipto USDT. All right, Zipto. So let's log into our Messi and Bitmart account. All right, this is Messi. All right, then let's go to Bitmart. This is Bitmart. All right, so we go to trade. We have to sell here, right? We check Zipto. Zip2. All right, Zip2. Then we go to Messi to search for Zip2 as well. Come to trade, then search for Zip2. zip 2. All right, that is zip 2. So you buy here. So we should buy here. We buy, let's say we buy 1,000 worth of this token, and then we'll take the equivalent copy. Then we'll go to Bitmart, and then we want to sell, and then we place the amount of zip 2 we have. As you can see, we've just made a profit of $26. All right, $26. All right, so that is it. As you can see, it is profitable. All right, if you have to pay any charges on this, it should not be more than let's say $2. All right, I'm not sure it will be more than $2, but you can, let's just say $2, because from transferring from this token to the other token, it's they do take charges though. They do take charges. All right, as you can see, the percentage, this is what mostly caused the gap in between. All right, as you can see here, he's saying minus 5%. All right, that is why you can sell here. Okay, but if you go back to Messi, you'll notice that on Messi is showing minus 6%. It's showing minus 7%, even more now. All right, even more now. So that is why there is a difference in between the price. All right, so as you can see, it is profitable. Okay, so please let's go back to this platform. Sorry guys, let's go back to the platform. As you can see, that zip 2 was profitable. All right, zip 2 was profitable. We can also try other account, but for this video to not be too long, I believe you can, get this app and then log into this app and start doing getting the opportunity in this app for those of you that have huge capitals. All right, so all right, now for you to navigate through this app is very simple. This is the home page. All right, this is the home page. Okay, that's the home page, and this is where you can go to pro. This is your chat if you want to chat with the core team of this platform, and here it's where you can access your profile. All right, so let's check what they have inside of the buttons. All right, so you click on go to, as you can see, you have the option for, you have that option there, weekly plan. That's 12,500 naira per week, and then you have 36,000 naira per month, and then you have 227,000 naira per month. All right, so what you get from this is that you get above 2% arbitrage opportunity. All right, that's what you get. All right, it's, as you can see from the top, it says upgrade to pro, get your pro membership today, unlock 2% profit opportunity, advanced featuring browser app, access on Arbitrage.com, view coin contract address, and instant access to referral program. All right, so you can see what you will get from any plan you pick from here. All right, so I prefer you go for the middle plan, which is the 1 month plan, because if you can, as you can see here, if you are to go for this one, all right, at the end of 1 month, you would have paid 50,000 naira for the plan you could have gotten for 36,000 naira. Are you getting it? So I just advise you go for the middle plan. All right, so you can also know that, you can also see that they also have a referral program. All right, you can also have a referral program. When you log into your profile and then you click on refer any, as you can see, you see that it said earn $3 for every qualified users you refer to Arbihunt. All right, that's the name of the platform, Arbihunt. You just got that. All right, that upgrade to pro using your referral link. As you can see, to make it even better, the people you refer get a 1 day pro trial for free. Are you getting it? So when you sign up, all right, when you sign up, you get a 1 day free pro plan. That means for the whole of 24 hours, you'll be getting above 2% arbitrage opportunity. All right, then from the next day, from the next 24 hours before your subscription starts counting. All right, so that is it. You can just and you can see, for those of you who love the plan, please take notice of this, that you can only get to withdraw your money when you hit 50 USD. Okay, so that is it, guys. This platform is really paying. One thing I like about it is that it's not some kind of platform that will tell you send money into our platform and then trade inside our platform. No, you don't do that. All right, all you do here is just get the information from here and then go to your platform and see if the opportunity is still there, and then you trade. All right, okay, so please, if you find this video helpful, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, guys. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new video, because this channel, this year, we are going to be bombarding you guys with amazing content, all right, real content that pays, not just any kind of try and error. Okay, so without further ado, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.